Hello all, welcome to session 123. In this session, I am going to practically demonstrate how to perform mouse double click using Selenium Python automation. So let's get started. Let's say there is a sample application like omaya.blogspot.com. On this application page, somewhere at the bottom, we have this option known as double click. When I use my mouse to double click on this option, you see these options are coming, right? These options are the proof that here double click happened. Okay, when I double click using my mouse here, these options are coming. These options are the proof that here someone has double clicked using the mouse. Fine, I want to automate this guys. I want to automate double clicking on this option and see whether these options are coming or not. How to do that? For that, I have already written some sample Selenium Python automation code for opening the Chrome browser, for maximizing the browser window, and for taking you to this application URL page. Once you are taken to this application URL page, I want to mouse double click here on this option, right? So in order to perform any mouse actions, there is a predefined class. For that, we have to create an object, that is action chains, guys. Okay, you have to first create an object for the action chains. I already explained this action chains in the previous session. So again, we have to create the object for the action chains in this session also. Hover the mouse on action chains and import this action chains predefined class from Selenium library. After that, you have to pass this driver and create the object difference. Say actions is equal to, you can give any name here, actions, whatever you want. Then have to say actions dot, what I want to do guys, what I want to do on this web element, I want to double click, mouse double click. For that, what is the command? There is a command known as double click command. Can you see the command? Double click command. Using this double click command, we can mouse double click on this option. Okay. But here we need to provide the web element on which we have to perform double click. Okay. For that, I have to create the web element here. So I will inspect this double click. And this is HTML code of this double click, guys. This is HTML code of the double click. It has some ID, guys. You can see that there is an ID. Copy this. I'll say driver dot find element by ID. Provide the locator and say. So what is that? Double click, right? Double click option, I will say. Okay. Double click underscore option is equal to, this is a web element, guys. So I want to perform double click on this web element. So if I run this code, will this work? No, guys. As already explained in one of the previous sessions, for all the action change commands like double click or move to element or left click, whatever the commands of the action change to work, we have to end these commands with dot perform. Then only they will work. Okay. If you don't end the action change predefined class commands with dot perform, these commands will not be executed, guys. Okay. I already covered this in the previous session. So let me run this after adding the dot perform. Let's see whether the double click will happen or not. If the double click is happened, we'll see these options under this drop down. We'll see the options like Facebook and all those stuff options. Okay, let's see. Run this. I'm not touching my mouse. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so let me scroll a bit. You see these options are there. That means double click happened. Okay, double click happened, but you know, right, the view is not coming here. The view is here only. Let's move the view here, guys. Okay, till here let's move the view. How to move the view till that point? So in one of the previous session I explained, right, if I have to move the view till this element is visible or something, then we have to run some JavaScript code like this, driver dot execute script, and here I'll say double quotes comma provide this web element till where we have to scroll the page. First, I'm scrolling the page using the JavaScript code here. I'm running the JavaScript code and scrolling the page till this particular double click option is visible. Then I'm going to perform double click. Okay. So here, what I will say, here I will say arguments of zero, arguments of zero. All these things I explained in one of the previous session, guys. Okay. If you want to refer to this session, go to the previous sessions. We'll understand. Execute script arguments of zero dot scroll into view. That's it. Okay. First, it will scroll the vertical scroll bar on the page till this double click option is visible. After that, it will perform double click. Okay, let's see. Let's run this code to see the output in a proper way. Let's see what will happen this time. Should scroll the page first. Okay, so nothing is happening. So what's the problem? Let's go to the C execute script or okay, there is a spelling mistake. Arguments of zero. Okay, let's run this again. Let's run this again. Let's see, this time it should scroll. After the application page is loaded, you see the page has been scroll till double click, and after that it has automated the double click using the mouse. Since the double click happened using the mouse, we are getting this Facebook, Flipkart, and Gmail options under the dropdown. So hope guys you understood how to automate mouse double click using Selenium Python. So that's it guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.